going to discuss mathematics standard 6 lesson number 1 chapter number 1 knowing our numbers, chapter number 1 of mathematics. Before starting our today's exercise, today's introduction exercise is needed. Just do your hands, yes, finger moving left side, right side, yes, continue. Now reverse, yes, on your both eyes, just rub it your hand gently, yes, your eyes also, and then rub it and put on your hands, yes, stretch it, yes, good. Now knowing our numbers, what you can learn in this fall lessons are given here. Do you know about ones? Yes, ones means 1. Good. This is what? 1 cube. What is this? Yes, 1 cylinder. Small picture, ones place. What about tens? Yes, 10 rupees, correct. But don't take 10 rupees now, you are small. Now here 10 small cubes, or the 10 cubes make a 110. Stars. How many stars are here, students? Can you see and count it? Yes, let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 or 10. 10 star make 110. 10 ones make 110. Is it? You already studied this one. Very nice, very nice, very nice. You remember the things. Mathematics is a continuous subject. You should have to remember the things. Yes, here are small balls, 10 balls, or we can say all the above objects, object means whatever picture is shown, are a group of 10. Have you heard about hundreds? 100 rupees not. 100 rupees, yes. See how many small squares are there? You cannot count. I will show you big size. Will you see now? Let's check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 this side, 10 this side. What we can do here? 10 into 10. 10 tens are 100. So, without fail, you counted all the cubes. Yes, student, that's 100. This is the 100th one. 100 stars. Count it. I will not show you now. 100 star is nothing. All the above objects are a group of 100. Don't take 1000. No, finish. Ones, tens, 100. This is the revision, and it is very helpful to us in our first lesson, knowing our numbers. Yes, student. Now 10 ones. We can write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Can we write it here? Do you want? Yes. Come. How many strip is there? 1. This side 10 small pieces is there. And here it is comes in a bunch. Pack. It's called 110. See, one lady is balancing. One weightlifting. Weightlifting, do you know? Very good. Gym. In gym, one side having a 10 kilo. 10 kilo means how much? 1 only. And this side 1 kilo is 5. No, 10 are there. 1 and 10 small pieces are there. So now both one are equal, not up and down. Okay. This is called the balancing, or we can say equal to. What we can say? Equal to. Our both legs are also equal, so that we can walk very clearly. If both wheel of the cycles are equal means both have the same air pressure. हवा, हाँ हवा सेम हशे तो your cycle will run properly, otherwise your cycle will not work properly. Yes, for all two-wheeler or four-wheelers, balancing is needed. Now look at this. What about this one? Oh, very nice. Left side 10 10 bunch of 10. So 10 tens equal to 100. 10 10 is equal to 100. Suppose 10 10 rupees 10 notes are there. How many is there? Yes, only 100 rupees note is equal to 100 rupees note. One student having 100 rupees note and one student having 10 10 rupees 10 notes. Who has more? No one has more. Both are saving the same amount money. Yes, this student have more number of notes. That's a 10 10 rupees. And here only one note of 100 rupees. Okay. Now look at here. Similarly, we can say 10 hundreds. Have you seen 100 rupees note? Yes, 10. How much is total? 10 100. But I don't want to say 10 100. I want to say in one word only. Yes, 1000. That means 1000. See, one lady is also balancing here. Place value. Have you heard this word? Chart is here. Yes. Ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. Then after 1000. Correct. See, I want to teach you up to 100, then after 1000, then after 10,000, then after lakh, 10 lakh, and crore, and 10 crore also. Yes, I will make you a crorepati. Yes, crorepati. कौन बनेगा? crorepati. So 6 standard students will become a crorepati. Let's see how to write crore also. Yes, this is a 100 cubes. These are the 10s cubes, and here is the ones. See, 1, 2, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will you tell me how many hundreds are there? Yes, 2 boxes are there. That means 2. In 10 place, how many are there? Picture 1. Yes, good. And about ones, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I am writing 2 under the 100 place, 1 under the 10th place, and 5 under the ones place. My number is 215. In the numbers numeral also we can say 215. There are 2 groups of 100, 1 group of 10, and 5 groups of ones. Understood? Okay. Now see, abacus. Have you heard this word? No, abacus. Yes, you already used. It's a very good instrument for calculations. Nowadays calculator we are using, the mobile also calculator. But in olden time, Chinese people, Japanese people, and our Indian also were using this instrument. And you all maybe comes to know about this one. You already came, you used. How? When? Now you are which standard? 6. I am talking about KG2 standard. You used. Will you want to see? Yes, see, here is the picture. Number is written 3, 4, 6. See. Yes, here is the picture of abacus. This is the abacus. Maybe you are having this type of slate. That time you are having here some wires. In that wire some colorful beads are there. Yes, moti, color moti wala idhar here. You heard na? And you were playing that time color wala moti, and here you are writing A, B, C, D, or you are writing here 1, 2. Here is the slate, and here downside you are having some beads. Yes, these types of beads, but that time you were not knowing what is the use of this one. Yes, you were using these things in KG sections. Yes, so here nothing is there, one wooden strip is there, that strip is having the road, or you can say salya, or you can say stick. Here you have to add some beads or para, you can say para. Yes, here how many are there, students? 6 are there, orange color. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So on the place, this is the right side place, we are saying the ones place, is it? Yes. And then green one, yes, 4, and pink one, 3. So red one, orange one means ones, green ones means tens, and pink one means hundreds. Now you had the idea. Why we are using this one here? Because I want to revise your memory, recall your memory, recall. Yes, you remember that things. And this 346 is written like this way. Understood? Yes. See what is saying here? Hundreds. And how many hundreds are there? 3 hundreds are there. What about tens? Only 1 10 is there. And what about 6? Yes, 4 are there, and 6 are ones. Understood? Good. 346 is also denoted like this way. 3 4 6, 6 comes down by mistake. Don't worry about here, 6 is here only lying. Go beta. See, I am writing here, yellow color is not there with me. Forget about this one. Okay, yellow not there, no problem. I can write here 6. This 6 I can remove from here. So you have the better idea. 3 hundreds, 4 tens and 6 ones. Clear? Or you can say it's a 300. This is a 40 and last one is a 6. Can you see this one? Last part. And then when we add this all three, 300 plus 40 plus 6, which gives me a 346. Not directly. The value of any digit depends on its place in that number. See students, very important topic is here. You already completed these types of questions in lower standards, means in 3rd, 4th, 5th standard, but you are not knowing what is the importance of these things. Here numbers are written. I have 3 numbers, 2, 24 and 258. Yes, I will make it little big size. Student, first number is 2, second one is 24 and third number is 258. Now my question is here, in this all 3 numbers 2 is there, 2 is present, but in these 3 numbers value of 2 is different one. See, first number, how many hundreds are there? Dash. Tens are dash, ones are 2. In second number, any 100 is there? No, dash is there. 2 tens are there? Yes, 2 tens are there, and 4 ones are there. Now third number, how many hundreds are there? 2 hundreds. Tens are 5 and ones are 8. See, I purposefully use the colors 2, 2 and 2. In first 2, it's a ones place. Second 2 is in tens place, and third one 2 is in 100 place. Clear? So each and every time the value is also different. Understood? Yes, correct. Now first number only 2 is there. 2, and which place is there? Ones place. So 2 ones are 2. Now look at the second one. 2 is there. Yes. 2 multiply with how much? What is the place is? Tens. So 2 into 10. 2 tens are 20. Yes, so that's a 20 value. Now look at about third one. What the place value here? 100. So 2 into 100, which gives me a 200. Yes, correct. So first time 2, second time 20, third time 200 place value. Just changing the numbers. Good. See, place and place value of colored digit. 4350. How many digits are there? 4. We are knowing ones, tens, 100 and 1000. Yellow color number is showing on 10 place, or you can just remember like this: 1, tens, 100, 4000. We can use TH. Color 10 place. 10 place means this number and multiply by 10. 5 tens are, yes, my dear student, you are right, 50. Yes, FIFTY. Okay, look at here, 9. 9 in one place. So what the value? Place value. Yes, 9 into 1, 9 only. Yes, 1, 2, 2, 6. 1 is in the 1000 place. 1 into 1000, that means a 1000. Suppose there is a 5, so 5000. 4, 6, 1, 7. 6 is colored with yellow. So 6 place is a 100th place. 100 place 6 into 100. 600 is the answer. Correct? Anyone has doubt for this one, student? Still now? No one has doubt now. Clear? Colored number, very easily understood. Now look at here. Once more time. Place value of the colored digit. Yes, so many questions are there. I will wait for you and try to understand this chart. Yes, what about you? And you? Very good, very good. You are trying to understand and writing also. See, we can discuss here. First one. 549. 5 is a colored one. So 5 place is 100. So 5 into 100. Second, 538. 8 is a colored one. So 8 into 1. 8. 2 into 100. 200. Correct it? See. I will make you show clearly. 3967. 6 into 10. 60. Now look at here. This is 0 is in 100 place. But 0 into 100. Any number with 0 will give you a 0 only, student. Yes. Here is in 1000 place. Multiply with 1000. That's why answer is 1000. The colorful things are there. Understood? So you can get clear idea about place value of a number. Now, ascending order and descending order. Student, your very interesting topic is here. Ascending order means smaller number will come first, then after bigger and bigger. Or you can say smallest to greatest. सबसे छोटा पहले, उसके बाद एक क्लास में बड़ा वाला. Descending means सबसे पहले बड़ा. Yes, you are right. Greatest to smallest, or biggest to smallest. Good. Okay, students, now look at here. 100 is equal to 10 tens. 1000 is equal to 10 hundreds or 10 tens. Can I write here one more thing, students? Is equal to dash ones. मुझे इधर ones लिखने का तो कितना लिखूंगा बेटा? मान लो आपके पास एक 3 स्टूडेंट है. 3 स्टूडेंट्स आर देयर. 1 स्टूडेंट के पास 100 रुपये का नोट है. बराबर है। दूसरे स्टूडेंट के पास भी सेम अमाउंट का रुपीस है, तीसरे स्टूडेंट के भी पास 100 रुपया है, तीनों के पास 100 रुपया है। एक बात समझ लो पहले, इस रुपीस का सिंबल है रुपीस 100. This is also having rupees 100. Try to understand. You can see, not looking good, but you can get the idea. First student having 100 rupees note, second student having so many notes of 10 rupees. So many notes are there. Okay. How much rupees of note are? 10. How many notes are needed for to make it 100? Yes, 10 notes are needed. And last student having a coin of the 1 rupees. So many coins are there. 1 rupees का कितना कॉइन चाहिए उसको? Yes, 1 का 100 coins. So 100 ones make 100. Little one more things. Or 10 tens is equal to 100 ones. See, 1 lakh is equal to 100,000 or 1,000 hundreds. 1 crore, I told you now I want to make you 1 crore. 1 means 10 lakh. No, but 100 lakh. Whenever you have 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh, up to 100 lakh, when you complete, then after only you will become a crorepati. Suppose I am having 1 lakh rupees, so I will not say a crorepati. 2 lakh, then also I am not telling a crorepati. 3 lakhs, no, but whenever I reach up to the 100 lakh, I will say I have a crore. Or you can say 10,000, thousands will also make a 1 crore. Now, place value in expanded form. Student, expanded form is nothing but suppose there is a number 4031. How this number forms up? Very simple. 4 into 1000, because 4 is in 1000 place, plus 0 into 100 place. 100 place, what is the place value? Yes, 100. Plus 30. 3 into 10. So that means a 30. Is it student? Or plus, one more time, 1 into 1, because 1 is in one place. Now add up all together. This is a 4000, this is a 30 and 1. So answer is 4031. Yes, you already did in 5th standard. Very nicely, correct. Now look at here. One small table is given to you, greatest and smallest. Can you see properly? Yes, 1 digit number, smallest is 1 and greatest is 9. 2 digit number. Yes, smallest is 10 and greatest is 99. 3 digit smallest number, 100, 100. It's the smallest 3 digit number. And 999 will give you a greatest number. 4 digit number is 100 and 9999. 5 digit means 1000 and 999 5 times. Comparing. Do you know what is comparing? Less than, greater than, and equal to? Yes, student. Here is the two numbers are there, 125 and 261. Who is the greatest one? Yes, 261 is the greater than. That's why we put the sign is here this way. Or how to read out this one? 125 is smaller than 261. Or you can write it in ulta. 261 is greater than 125. Is it clear? Yes, here two numbers are there. Here we compare the first number. Both are 3 digits. One is smaller than 2. That's why we put this sign. Okay, about this one, 5 digits numbers are there. Yes. So check the first number. 1, 1. Both are equal. We cannot say who is bigger and who is smaller. Now come to the next number. 8 and 5. Who is bigger one? 8 or 5? Yes, 8. That's why 18,511 is greater than 15,502. Sign is here. Here check it. First number 5, second number 6. Automatically you get the answer. 645 is greater than 546. What about this one? 1099. 1000 have 4 digit. 999 is 3 digit. So whose digit is more? That's a greater number. So answer is here. 1000 is greater than 999. Clear? First check the digits, second the place values, and then after you can get it proper answer. So comma. There are two ways to get the comma, students. Yes, comma helps us in reading and writing large numbers. In our Indian system of numeration, we use ones, tens, hundred, thousand, and then lakhs and crores. Commas are used to mark thousands, lakhs, and crores. Or you can write here 3, 4, 8, 9, 6, 5, 0, 2. Like this, a number is there big size. How to do it? Yes, first 3 number and then after every 2 number having the comma. Yes, 3 crore 48 lakh 96,502. If suppose there are no zero, very confusion to read out. क्या पढ़ेंगे? 34 lakh 89,6,500. Yes, mistake. So put here first 3 numbers, then every 2 numbers. From right side to student. इधर से move होने का, इधर से नहीं जाने का. Yes, right hand. Correct. Now regarding an international system. In the international system of numeration, as it is being used, we have ones, tens, 100,000 and lakh, crores. They are having the millions. 1 million is a thousands. Means 10 lakh. 1 million is equal to 10 lakh. Commas are used to mark thousands and millions. 1,000, then million, then billion. It comes after every 3 digit from the right. Or you can say 1 billion is equal to 1,000 million. Just now I said 2, 3, 8, 4, 5, 0, 2. Like this one number is there, student. Or here we can write 7. Whatever number you can write. See, according to Indian system, we can put 3 number and then 2 number each other. And how to read out? 7 crore 23 lakh 84,502. But in international system, they are having every 3 number digits comma. 3 numbers. How to read out this one? 72,384,502. They are using this one words. Million, billion. Million means 10 lakh. And here thousands million makes 1 billion. Yes. Okay. Now very important table here, centimeter and meter. Yes. 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeter. You have the compass box and one small scale is with you. In that 1 number, 2 number, 3 number, 15s are written. Small cuts are there. How many cuts are there? Yes, 10 cuts are there. So 1 centimeter gives us a 10 millimeters. And when you are going to purchase a cloth, you are telling them to give the cloth 1 meter, 2 meters. So 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. Be remember these things. Yes. Or you can say 10 multiply here, then it will become a millimeter. When you are moving from one place to another, Mova to Bhavnagar or anywhere, you can see on roadside kilometers are showing. Yes, 1 kilometer means 1,000 meters. Oh, when you are going to purchase any vegetable or provision items, they are asking you kilogram. 1 kilogram means 1,000 grams. Or whenever you are going to purchase a milk, petrol, they are asking us as liters. Don't tell me kilogram. Petrol pump, you can give 1-2 kilogram of petrol. That's not look good, and that's an improper. So 1 liter means 1,000 milliliters. Last one, 1 rupees is equal to 100 paise. You remember this one? Huh? Yes, my dear student, you are right. Last but not least, here is the one Roman numbers. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10 means X. 11 means XX and 12 means X. Yes, you found in our school these things. Yes, written. Now look at here. How to write is the 430 20, yes, 20 means 2x, 30 means 3x, 40 means xl, x means 10 and l means 50. 50 के पहले लिख देंगे तो बनेगा 40, 50 के बाद l के बाद लिखेंगे तो 60, 70, 80, 90 के लिए क्या करेंगे बेटा, यस 90 के लिए ऐसा नहीं लिखेंगे, बट c का मतलब है 100, सो 90 का मतलब है xc. Okay, now what about 500, that's a d, and at last today's number is 1000 m, so LCD m you have to remember, correct? Good. So here we conclude our sessions. Thank you, have a good day, take care, be safe. Till there, bye bye. We will continue our sessions with exercise 1.1 in next time. Thank you once again.